If you're experiencing controller drift in GTA 5, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly address the issue and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in GTA 5 and ensure that your controller settings are properly configured. Adjust sensitivity and dead tone settings to see if it alleviates the drift. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause joystick drift. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the joystick and ensure there is no buildup affecting its movement. Step 3. Update controller firmware. If your controller has firmware updates available, make sure to install them. Connect your controller to the appropriate platform and check for updates through the system settings. Step 4. Calibrate the controller. Go to your system settings and find the calibration option for your controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to recalibrate the joystick, which can help eliminate drift issues. Step 5. Replace or repair. If the drift persists after trying the previous steps, consider replacing the joystick module or seeking professional repair services. Sometimes hardware issues require more in-depth solutions. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift in GTA 5, allowing for a smoother gaming experience.